cake like this. Like it's made out of big and tiny marshmallows. You need some cherries, some big marshmallows and tiny marshmallows. So a grape, cut it in half after, and then cherries. Or maybe I said twice. So first, you put the marshmallows like a tower. 3 on the bottom and 1 on the top, like a triangle. And then put 1 on the top with a grape on top in half. So I said it in half with a knife, any type of knife. But best is a kitchen knife, because yeah. Then it's kind of hard to put the cherries on top, but I'm sure you'll get it. So you have to place the cherries over, and if they keep falling down, just get another one. So you place the cherry on upside down, and then you lean it against this one. If it falls down, just don't, no matter. No. And then you have to put 10 marshmallows. Pretend like you scattered it, but you actually have to put it in place. Put it in place, put it in place, like that. I can't show the marshmallows. And then you can either use a paper because they're not sticky, or just a plate because if the marshmallows are sticky, or if you're afraid, or if you don't know if it'll work. So yeah, I hope you liked the video.